It's going to be a bit more like this. Expect another video soon. But for now, let's do this. For this steak, you will need a ribeye. Choice meat would be ideal, or prime if you're willing to spend a little bit more cash. And today we have pepper, salt, sea salt is preferred, and butter for the seasoning. It's pretty simple, nothing really fancy. I've already seasoned it, but I'll do a bit more pepper because I like a bit more pepper. I have also already as you can see, I've already pre-chopped these nice garlic bits. You need to baste it and chop it. A bit more salt if you want it. And then since we're already prepped, this will take about 20 minutes. But the most important thing to remember is before doing anything, make sure to leave the steak out for at least 30 minutes, maybe even 40. I left it out for about an hour so that everything melts and nothing is like, if it's frozen and you cook it up, then only the outside will get cooked and the inside will be cold and raw, but the outside will be burnt. So you don't want that. You want a nice even. I like my steak medium rare. So olive oil or avocado oil or canola oil is fine. So here I have my steak and my butter. The butter is when you cook it, so don't put the butter on before. You take the steak right here. And as you can see, the steak is right there, and that's our pan. So for our pan, you want 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Okay, and the pan is now on. I'll put it right here, I guess. Can you see me? Okay, that's bad. Okay, for this segment, I apologize, but I'll just put it. This is such bad angling. Okay, I'll just put it right here for now. The lighting's pretty bad, but it's fine. And I have the garlic as well. And what you want to do, take the steak and gently put it on. Oh yeah, add oil. Gently, I'm too scared to do this. Make sure you have tongs. Those will help. And gently just put it on. Okay. Now, usually there'd be searing, so I don't know if there's anything wrong. I think it's because I put too much oil on. So what I'll do is yeah, that's bad. That was very bad. Oh no, I messed up. Okay, so I'll wait for the oil to die out, and I'll be back. Okay, gamers, it turns out the oil was not the problem. It wasn't hot enough. The pan wasn't hot enough yet. So it is currently making some bubbling sounds. So I think it'll work now. Let's test it out. And I also changed the angle, so you might see the back of my head for most of the time, but I'm sorry, I am not good at angling. But I will show you the steak, so don't worry. Okay, yes, it does work. Nice. That's what you want. Okay. Yes, okay, epic gamers. It worked. Yay, okay, now what you want to do, while that is cooking, let me just show you. Beautiful. While that is cooking, you want to take your butter. Earlier I said don't put the butter before you cook it, and this is why. You're going to put the butter in before or while it's cooking, so that it's kind of like an oil, but it's not really an oil. Okay, slice that beautiful piece of butter. Put it in there. Boom. The butter is in. As you can see, the butter is in. Now, what you want to do is you want to take the garlic that you had before and gently just put that beautiful garlic in there along with any other juices that are in it. I am a bad chef. I am terrible. Okay. It seems like there is a lot of cooking going on, which is what you generally want, but I'm not very good at dealing with this. So I apologize to any better chefs who take offense at my skill, and you should take offense at my skill because even I'm not proud of my skill. Okay. So what you want to do to prevent the garlic from burning, you want to put it on top of the steak, as you can see, or you can't see right now, like that, so it doesn't burn. Okay. Perfect. Okay, gamers. Once it is a bit more cooked, that is the I do English. Once it is a bit more cooked, I will flip it. Okay, Epic Gamers, we're back again, and I think that side is completely cooked. It'll take about 5 more minutes from where it was before. And then you want to take it. Take a lot of concentration. I spilled garlic out everywhere. That's what you don't want to do. That's what you do not want to do. I'll just show you. And then you want to take it. And then you want to flip it over just like that. Look at that browning. That is beautiful. That is exactly what you want. Okay. Perfect. Perfecto. Like that. Perfect. Okay. Again, put the garlic on top of the meat so it does not burn and ruin your entire dish. Some of it already burned, but yeah. I'm going to pick up the garlic I spilled before and dump that because I'm not eating that. Okay, perfect. Always wash your hands after dealing with the incident or oil. Now, to anyone watching, you know what? Oh, there it is. Perfect. To anyone watching, I really do apologize for my cooking skills, but please do not hate on me in the comment section and like and subscribe. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm just going to put this away now. Okay, now that that's over, we can come over here, and looks like it's cooking. Yep. Okay. It looks like it's doing well. So again, I'll be right back as the steak cooks. Okay guys, I have turned the heat off. I think we are done cooking. And one thing I forgot to mention is when you are cooking, make sure to turn it on its side so that all that nice fat kind of melts away and it will really add to the flavors. The heat is off. I think we did a pretty good job today. And now here's the best part, we taste. Okay, Epic Gamers, we're done. I'm so tired. That was, let's just say I screwed up a lot more than I should have. It was undercooked, so we cooked it again, and I'm pretty sure it's overcooked now. But let's have a taste, let's have a taste now, shall we? Let's bear the fruits of our labor. So we take the first. Oh yeah, that's overcooked. Yep, that is. And no pink. Oh shoot, that's blood. Now I've cooked steak before with my grandma, but this is my first time doing it alone, and needless to say, I have failed. It is overcooked. It's like well done now. I expected it to be medium rare, but oh well, what can I expect? So there is a tiny amount of pink, but let's take it anyway. Okay. I was right, it was well done. Too well done. No pink at all, but it wasn't as bad as I expected it to be. It was still pretty tender. It's really filling though. Excuse me. Extremely filling. And I really don't know what to say. I mean, I'm still proud of myself, but it could have gone better. But still, let's try the middle. The middle can be better since it's harder to cook. Oh yeah, okay. So it appears that it's not that much different, but there is a tiny bit more pink in like the middle of the middle. So I guess that's another level better. And as you can see in the middle, there's a bit more pink than here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this bite was a bit better. Not bad, not bad. Excuse my grandparents. They're eating dinner as lunch as well. Well, I think that's it. There's not really much else to say. I mean, you can follow my recipe. This is Gordon Ramsay's style. See you next time. This is the first episode. This has been the first episode of Cooking in PJs. Stay.